you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chris. This is Krissnaildit. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. If you are new, hey boo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please and thank you. All right, you guys, let's get into this tutorial. Now, as you basically read in the title, we are going to do a short nail slay. A lot of people, for some odd reason, think that doing short nails is like hard. And I don't understand that, because I feel like doing short nails are easier than doing longer nails. But you know, YOLO. Because in my opinion, you're using a smaller ball. But, okay. Anyways, as you can see, I'm prepping my nails. I'm about to prom. And of course, you're supposed to do this before any nail service. I don't really shape my nails. Like, I only like shape on the sides whenever I start. I don't necessarily like shape into the square until after I apply my acrylic. So here we go. Now, I love doing the one bob method, okay, y'all? The acrylic that I'm using right now, I just bought this from a nail supply store here in my hometown. This acrylic and this monomer, which is the liquid, it's not the best. This liquid is actually pretty runny in comparison to the other liquid that I bought from them the last time. They influenced me to buy this liquid, and I was like, I don't know. But they was like, just go ahead and buy it. It works really good. Everybody's buying it. And I was like, I need to just stick with what I know. But instead, I went on and bought this liquid, so I have to like really like blow on it a little as I'm working to try to control it. It's a lot of work, but it still lays pretty well, and it looks really, really good, as you can see. And it's also because I'm just a great nail artist. I mean, pat on the back for me. But so yeah, these nails, I love doing short nails anyway. Not really. Let me stop lying. I do not. I call these kitten nails, booty fingers, all that. But short nails have grown on me a little bit. I feel like they give you like a classy vibe, like just, you know, straight square. I don't like wide square. See, like right now, this is considered wide square, and I swear to God, that's how some of y'all leave a nail shop. Like, y'all need to leave a nail shop with y'all nails looking this wide. Like, and it's sad because, dang, I feel like you should say something to your service provider. Like, if you're gonna do my nails, then you should be doing my nails properly. Like, you need to not only lay my foundation right, but you need to shape my nails into perfection, sir or ma'am. Please and thank you. But anywho, so yeah, I love doing the one ball method because I feel like this is easier for me. Doing like two ball methods, I only do that if like the nails are extra long. And I feel like I do the two ball method because I feel like it helps build more support for your nails, and it kind of makes your acrylic a little thicker in the center. So that's the only time that I use two ball. Other than that, baby, as you can see, I lay it to perfection with this one ball, with this little drippy acrylic that I'm using. Ooh, child. But I'm gonna use this acrylic, baby, because this cost me a good $80 a gallon, and you know, I'm gonna get all of what I can get out of it, which is every single last drop of liquid I can get out of it. But anywho, if you have any nail questions, you know, feel free to ask. If there's anything you would like to know about me, feel free to ask. I'm always here and open for questions because I always have an answer. So I'm gonna let y'all get back into this tutorial, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and again, subscribe.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving to the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want the mom when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my feet. it like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep this shit. If I catch you not off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But you stand up till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But you stand up till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? In my head, you sending action. These days, no quiet. Niggas be blasting. Living in the middle. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up. But this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder. Second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But you stand up till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But you stand up till I die.
told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on a right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on.